Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a split cup pour again with this mixed media girl cup that you can find on her Etsy shop. And I will use my mixture of titanium white mixed with my pouring medium and I had a blob. And polyurethane satin varnish, and see if I can get some nice effects here too. And here I will use phthalo Prussian blue Amsterdam and Pebeo iridescent green yellow, and artist loft metallic cobalt blue. And let's go to the Prussian phthalo again. And this iridescent one. I will list all the colors into the description box, so if you will want, you can check them there. And this is Pebeo iridescent precious gold and Pebeo iridescent orange yellow and artist loft Decoart antique bronze. And gold again. And orange. This Sunday will be a little different Sunday. This is all that I can say. I will have my live at 4 p.m. standard Eastern time, and then comes the surprise. So let's do this pour and see. and I will just pour the same white mixture here around. Just try to marry this. And let's see. I want to go off with this part right away. I will leave it like it is because I like it. I will just check my corners and take you for a close-up. I was hoping for a little more, I don't know, some effect, but still it's gorgeous anyway, no matter that I had a little different picture in my head, but this one turned out just stunning, I think. Okay, I definitely like it this way. And remember, this iridescent orange and green will look really nice when it will be dry, so I will torch it just a little bit because I see a lot of air bubbles. And I am done. Let me take you for a close-up. I'm just thinking to tilt maybe a little bit of this white off, but I love this part here and I love this tree, so I don't know if I want to lose that. It's not totally white, you see. And this here, kind of a sun or something. A lot of beautiful details. I will see, maybe I will tilt a little bit of this part off, but for now I'm happy. I try to get that you don't have a glare, but you know how it is. This part is stunning here. So tell me what you think about it, and don't forget, special Sunday this week. Bye for today.